Here I am today at Pittock Lake Conservation Area, or I don't know, it's in Woodstock. Got some advice from my boss at work on how to get here. You can even probably see there's a water tower right there. Yeah, looks like a fairly nice spot. Looking forward to fishing and canoeing this. Put in at the Roch Lake side, or Roch Park side, no charge. It costs money to go to the Conservation Authority, which is over there. Gonna go give it a check out. There's a place here to dock your boat and go for a rock walk or a picnic in Roch Park. Here we have a view of the Pittock Conservation Authority, I believe. Even got the train running through it. This is a pretty big man-made lake here on the Thames River. Give you an idea of some of the size there. All the way out there. I'll be damned. There's a dam. Here I am in the marsh portion. Small red-winged blackbird. It's a nice cattails. I did kind of crash into the cattails and noticed there was lots of fish in them. Sing, little bird, sing.